Let R be the relation over the set of all straight lines in a plane such that L1 is related to L2 if and only if L1 is perpendicular to L2. Then R is, we need to check whether it is a symmetric or reflexive transitive or it is an equivalence relation. So what is given? A relation R is a relation L1 and L2 are the lines. They are related such that L1 is perpendicular to L2. So where L1 and L2 belong to the straight lines in a plane or the straight lines in a plane. Now coming to the reflexive case, L1 related to L1. So we know that every line is parallel to itself. Every line is parallel to itself, but so we cannot say that every line it is not perpendicular to itself. So it is very clear that every line is not perpendicular to itself. So from this we can say our relation is not reflexive, not a reflexive. And coming to the next one, symmetric. Let L1 is related to L2. So which implies that L1 is perpendicular to L2. So which also implies that L2 is perpendicular to L1. If one line is perpendicular to another line, then automatically the other line also perpendicular to the first line. So which implies that L2 comma L2 is related to L1, we can say. As L1 is related to L2 implies L2 is related to L1 and hence we can say symmetric. So this relation is symmetric. And coming to the third option, not third option, third part, transitive. Let us consider L1 is related to L2 and L2 is related to L3. That is, L1 is perpendicular to L2 and L2 is perpendicular to L3. So if one line, let us say this is a line L1 is perpendicular to L2 in a plane, in a coordinate plane, and L2 is perpendicular to L3 means this line is perpendicular to L3. So which means that your L3 line must be perpendicular to this part. So let us say this is L3. Now there must be a relation between L1 and L3 as parallel. So which implies L1 is parallel to L2, but L1 is not perpendicular to L2. And hence we can say this is not a transitive. So among these options, only one satisfies, that is symmetric. So